Hey everybody, it's Dave from Trainday, and today we're going to create some nursing home onboarding really quick, really fast with Trainday, right? So let's get into it. We're at trainday.io. I'm going to click on start training, and I'm already in my account here, and we're just going to delete this course right here, and we're going to create a completely new course, right? So here, let's do onboarding for our new nurses at the home healthcare clinic, right? Let's call it nursing home, right? And we'll give it a name called Helping Hands, right? So we'll click next. Now let's select a little template so we can create some samples. We'll just click this one. And now it's going to create some samples for us. And we're going to select one of those, and that should get us very, very close to our desired outcome. So here we are. Let's see. Let's do this one, right? Boom. So it's going to create our content, all our slides, all of our visuals, video scripts. It's going to create our scenarios, right? Which is going to be like a multiple choice, 4 multiple choice question, selected choices that you could have and an answer. And that's actually going to have a presenter that's going to say that video script and present that scenario to you. And also an interactive quiz with 10 multiple choice questions and answers, right? And it's even going to generate our first slide completely so that we can actually get the whole look and feel of what the course is. And then, of course, you can edit it. You could change presenters. You could change the video script. You could translate each slide or even an entire course, right? So here's our course right here. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Helping Hands. We're excited to have you join our team of dedicated nurses.
So first off, we'll just change this position a little bit.
Welcome to Helping Hands. We're excited to have you join our team of dedicated nurses. In this onboarding course, you will learn about our mission.
So that looks great for us right there, right? So if we want to use this in a PowerPoint or a SCORM, we'll just go ahead and render it. And you don't want to close this tab. You want to leave this open. It's doing our little recording right now. And then we'll eventually get a video that we can export for our own use or export it into a PowerPoint with other slides or into a SCORM presentation that we can use in an LMS, right? Now we'll actually go down and look at some other slides, like this scenario right here. And let's go ahead and create that voiceover. We want captions, so we'll click yes. And this will be a nice video presentation of a scenario, which will act just like a quiz in your LMS and even in our own LMS, right? So let's see how this looks.
A nurse is caring for a new resident in a long-term care facility. During the initial assessment,
all right, we could also add some animations to this. Let's just do that one. Let's add some animations to the choices here. Let's hit this one, and let's see how it looks.
A nurse is caring for a new
So there we go. So let's just move these a little bit back off the screen a bit so they don't collide with each other. And let's check it out.
A nurse is caring for a new resident in a long-term care facility.
So that looks great again too. Now also with that one, since it's already done, you can render it. You can use it for PowerPoint or for SCORM, or you could do both because the scenarios show up in different ways, right? So that's it. You could export it as a PowerPoint or a SCORM for your LMS, and you can go about translating the courses or whatever else you need to do, add videos, add images. It's just that simple. So can't wait to see what you build with it, and I'll see you next time.